You have 12 unheard messages.
Hi, hello, it's me again. It's been a long time since my last vlog. But anyways, this is a chaotic vlog of an everyday and unfiltered life. I hope you enjoy. See ya! Why are you like shy? This is a documentary. Documentary! Ay, bakla seryoso ko eh. Tapos kumunta sa aking court photo. Thanksgiving, sumangan ka ta. Zoom, Brazil. Uy! Karen. Ay, say hi to my vlog. Oh, eh, seryoso. I feel like I'm pregnant. Ay, pregnant. At ang gusto ko lang sa buhay, maging successful, masaya, makapagtapos ng pag-aaral at maging famous actress.
Hi mga che!
So hindi pa nagsistart yung mass. At gusto na makita. Yes, at gusto na makita ni Justin yung si Lord.
Oh, ganun. Gusto ko makita si Papa Jesus.
Buri mo pa mandam ka na yan.
Eh, bet kayo bakit?
Ay, di sisigaw ko lang.
Isang hotdog.
We're going home.
Hi, Editor Sean here. My phone died. I was supposed to film because we got coffee, but my phone died. I have no charger. My friend doesn't have any charger, nor charging ports, nor charging cables. I don't have a choice but to end the vlog. But anyways, I hope you love the vlog. I love you and thank you for watching. I hope you're there to watch my next one. Good night and I love you.